Welcome back. In order to allow affiliates to promote your product, you will need to give them a link where they can apply and you can approve them. What you'll need to do is to go inside of your product. You'll then need to go to the settings. You'll then see that you have an affiliate sign-up page. Now you'll take this link and you'll pass this on to potential affiliates. Now when the potential affiliate sees this link and page, they will then be able to click this link to request approval to promote your product. They'll then request the offer. You'll then see a notification on your dashboard that you have an affiliate request. You will also get that same request by email. What you can do is you can click this button that says One Affiliate Request. And you'll then have the choice of whether to approve or deny the affiliate that has made application. Typically, what you'll look to is going to be the score that that affiliate has available to them. And you can use that score to determine whether or not you want to approve them. One rule of thumb is that if you don't know the affiliate and they don't have a good score, you can safely deny them. What we're going to do now is we're going to click the Approve button. Now that affiliate is now approved to promote our product. One thing that we can do is we can make it so that whenever this affiliate applies, they will automatically be approved. And we can do that by clicking this button that says click here to auto approve future requests. And we're going to click it so that now whenever the individual makes application, they will be given their link automatically. So now when this individual comes back to the page and they refresh their page, they will then see that their link is ready for them to use in order to promote. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.